Want to turn your Facebook profile into Crayon drawing style? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily convert it. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to Safari and move into the official website of ChatGPT. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in, now click on this plus icon and then tap on Add Photos and Files. Choose Photo Library. It will open up a gallery. Now select the screenshot of your Facebook profile. Once selected, tap on Add. Once added, now you have to enter this prompt. If you do not know what to enter, then you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. You can copy it from right here. Once you are done entering this prompt, now all you gotta do is click on the send button. Well, there you go, the prompt has been sent to the ChatGPT. You can see that the image is being created. All you gotta do is wait for a while. And there you go, the Crayon drawing style profile has been created by ChatGPT. Well, you can see the profile looks pretty cool. If you scroll down, you'll get to see more of it. If you want to save it into your gallery, tap and hold it. Click on Save Image In, and then tap on Save in Photos. Now if you go and look into your photos or gallery, you will be able to see this picture. So this is simply how you can generate Crayon drawing style of Facebook profile. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.